So I'll talk about question number 3 now, children. Right. So we completed question 1 and question 2. I'll be talking about question 3 now. It says if perimeter of rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of one of the diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? Now, there is this term, children, which is used here, perimeter, right? So can someone help me with what is meaning of the word perimeter? Perimeter ka value in the question is 100 centimeter. Can somebody help me with the meaning of the word perimeter? Perimeter मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे यहाँ पे perimeter of the rhombus is given. So if I try to draw a figure, let's say this is the rhombus, right? I name it as A, B, C, D. Amberlin, I'll have to check. I believe I don't have a pen available as of now. What I have is a pencil or a pen which is almost out of ink. I'll try with this. So perimeter is 100 centimeter and I've given the quadrilateral, the rhombus, a name ABCD. So when I state that perimeter is 100 centimeter, that means sum of all the sides is basically equal to 100 centimeter. I hope that is clear. I don't know whether this is working or not because as you can see, the ink is almost dried up. Yeah. Length of one of the diagonals is 48 centimeter. So when you connect, yeah, it doesn't working. I'll use the pencil. Yeah, as of now, I'll work with the smaller one. I have the bigger one as well. But let me complete this. I hope this is visible. So there are two diagonals, AC and BD, right? AC and BD are the diagonals. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Let's say they intersect at a point M, right? Now, no, sir, the red pen was better than the pencil. Okay. So I'll use the red pen for timing. Till then, once I finish the sum, I'll just try and find out if there is something available, right? So let me finish off this particular sum here with this particular pen. Perimeter, as I said, is nothing but sum of all the sides, but all the sides of a rhombus, they are equal. We all know it, isn't it? So perimeter is, let's say, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equals to 100. But as I said, charo equal hai. So can I state AB plus AB plus AB plus AB? So it is kind of 4 times AB, isn't it? Yes या no? समझा मैंने क्या बोला? Sir, can you please set the rename option? Why do you want me to set the rename option, Bhagyeshri? It's okay. See, perimeter, sum of all sides. So I write it as AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, right? Which is equals to 100 centimeter. Now we all know since it is a rhombus, by definition, all the four sides are equal. So that makes it AB plus BC के बदले I'll write it as AB. Again CD के बदले I'll write it as AB. And AD के बदले I'll write it as AB. So AB plus AB plus AB plus AB is equals to 100 centimeter. The reason being, since AB is equals to BC and that is equal to CD and that is equal to AD. Right? Now, AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. Since I'm adding AB 4 times, it has to be 4 into AB, that is 4AB, which is equals to 100 centimeter. Right? Now shift this 4 on the other side, children. Since 4 into AB है, तो multiplication उस तरफ जाएगा तो division, right? So AB is equals to 100 upon 4, which is nothing but AB is equals to 25 centimeter. Is that clear? I mark this is equation 1. Now, since AB is 25, I can state that all the sides, the value of them will be 25, right? So I just write that AB is 25. Now, if you have read the question very carefully, children, it says the perimeter of the rhombus is 100, which we have utilized, right? Next information we haven't yet utilized, which is length of one of the diagonals is 48 centimeter. So it is really up to us whether to utilize AC एक ऐसा डायगोनल जिसका लेंथ 48 गिवन है या फिर BD एक ऐसा डायगोनल जिसका लेंथ 48 गिवन है. So it is up to us. You can select any one diagonal का value as 48, right? I randomly choose AC. So AC is given to us as 48 centimeter, which is given. And our aim, children, is to find area of this particular rhombus, right? Now, if you all remember, kids, area of rhombus is nothing but half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. अच्छा, diagonal 1 का वैल्यू हम लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है, बट डू वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ diagonal 2? BD का वैल्यू हम लोगों को पता है क्या? No, right? So in order to find area of this rhombus, right, we first, children, need to find the other diagonal ka value, which is BD. Question is, how do we find BD? Right? It's very simple. I'll tell you how. See, I believe the figure is visible, right? So I'll use this part right here along with the figure because I want you to, kind of look at the figure. We all know the diagonals, they bisect each other, right? And I have considered AC ka value as 48 given to us in the question. Hey children, diagonal bisect each other का मतलब, can I state that AM will be equal to MC? And ये जो दोनों equal है छोटे छोटे segments, will they be half of AC, the bigger segment? Yes, perfect. So I'll be stating that AM is basically nothing but half of AC. And इसके लिए जो reason होगा वो होगा diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other, right? I know this is not visible, the further part, but I hope मेरे को आप सुन सकते हो. I want you all to refer the figure as well. I'll show it to you later on when you will be copying. Diagonals bisect each other. See, I haven't used the word perpendicular on purpose क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने perpendicular वाला property use नहीं किया, मैंने bisect वाला property use किया, right? Now AC का value I've considered it as 48, which is given to us in the question. So half into 48. When you divide 48 by 2, it is 24 centimeter, and that is AM ka value, right, children? So I mark it as equation 2. So AM ka value, I'll just mark it in the figure as well. It is nothing but 24 centimeter, right? So children, now, since I'm interested in the value of this diagonal, I'll tell you what we have to do. Look at those two diagonals. Can I state those two diagonals, they are perpendicular to each other? Yes, that is the property. So that means I state, since AC is perpendicular to BD, the reason being diagonals are perpendicular to each other, right? Since AC is perpendicular to BD, right? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Can I state this angle AMB is 90 degree? In fact, चारों एंगल 90 होगा ना चिल्ड्रन, ये और ये, क्योंकि दोनों परपेंडिकुलर है एक दूसरे को, करेक्ट? Any doubts till this part? I want all the kids to participate and message me yes or no, whatever. If there are any doubts, please ask. Yeah, Shreya and Amrita have confirmed they don't have any doubts. I don't know about other kids. They are just, uh, yeah, Deven has confirmed now. Param has confirmed. Mahek has confirmed. So there are only 5 kids yet who have confirmed that they don't have any doubts. अभी कुछ और बच्चों का आया है. Right. So assuming all the other kids had understood the sum. Now children, I mark this as 3 and I move on to triangle. Yeah, I move on to triangle AMB. I state that since angle AMB is 90 degree and ये AMB 90 कहाँ से आया? From equation 3. Right? Therefore, applying Pythagoras. अच्छा, triangle AMB में ये 90 है children. Why am I applying Pythagoras? Because I know AM, I know the hypotenuse. 90 के सामने वाले को hypotenuse बोलते हैं. I know the hypotenuse का value. I know one of the sides का value. Can I find the third side? Yes. और एक बार MB मिल गया, उसका डबल किया तो DB यानी सेकेंड डायगोनल मिल जाएगा. और सेकेंड डायगोनल मिल गया मतलब एरिया ऑफ द रोम्बस मिल जाएगा, which is what we want, right? So basically I'll apply Pythagoras here. Look at the figure. 90 यहाँ पर है AMB, तो 90 के सामने AB है, that is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equals to, right, sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is side 1 square plus side 2 square. So AM square plus BM square. The reason, by Pythagoras theorem, right children? Now AB square का value, if you look, it is nothing but 25, which I've mentioned it in the equation 1 as well. So AB का value आ जाएगा 25 square. The reason has to be from equation 1, वो बाद में लिखेंगे. Talking about AM, AM का value is nothing but 24, which you can see AM 24 equation 2 से आ रहा है, right? So 24 का square plus BM is what we need to find. So from 1 and 2, right? 25 का square is 625. 24 का square is 576. Now when you shift 576 on the left hand side, it becomes 625 minus 576, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस था, उधर गया तो माइनस, is equals to BM square. Yeah, 625 minus 576, the answer when you calculate children is nothing but 49, right? Which is equals to BM square. Now 49 is a perfect square, BM square, right? Perfect square here. So taking square root on either sides, it has to be 7 centimeter is equals to BM, right? Taking square roots. So children, we have got BM ka value as 7 centimeter. I mark it as equation 4, right? Now, if you all remember, BM मुझे बताओ अगर 7 है children, how much is BD supposed to be? If BM is 7, Sneha says 48. That is wrong. Sneha, AC 48 है बेटा. BM अगर 7 है, तो MD भी 7 है, मतलब this has to be 14. That is correct. Because diagonals bisect each other, right? So since I've got BM, on the next page, I would be writing about BD, right? So I would state that BD is nothing but double, yani two times of BM, right? And the reason for this very statement has to be diagonals bisect each other, right? Diagonals bisect each other. Now BM ka value was 7. So I'll just substitute it here. 2 into 7, I believe that was equation 4. Yeah, equation 4 se aaya hai. So from equation number 4, 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. So children, I've got value for another diagonal. I mark it as equation 5. If you all remember, what we needed to find was nothing but area of the rhombus. So area of rhombus which we need to find is nothing but the rhombus ABCD, जिसका दोनों diagonals का नाम है AC and BD. So it has to be half into product of their diagonals, that is AC into BD. Children, AC का value, it was given to us as 48, and BD we have found it as 14 centimeter. That comes from equation 5. Okay, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. If you want, you can cancel this as well. 24 into 14. Ultimately, when you multiply this two, you'll get your answer. And since सब कुछ centimeter में था, तो ये centimeter square आएगा. I hope you can multiply this and get the answer, right? So I want you all to copy the sum. Yeah, that is correct, Sneha. I'll give you time. So here is the first page of the sum. You can just start copying. Meanwhile, I'll just try and search for a pen if possible. Okay, Amrita has already finished copying. Tanishka has also finished. I believe only 15 minutes are left. So there is no need to find the pen. I believe things are quite fairly visible in the red pen as well, right? Yeah. So I'll just shift the page in the upward direction so that you can copy the part which is written here. There were few steps, I believe, which were not visible. Now they are. Anyone who wants the previous information, please let me know. यही है बेटा, स्टार्ट यही से हुआ है स्नेहा. दिस इज वेयर आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम. इसके प्रीवियस तो लास्ट लेक्चर में जाना पड़ेगा. Yeah, Amberlin, I've read your message. Done with this page. I believe maximum of the students are done with this page. So I'll just move on to the next page now. If there is any student who haven't, yeah, Sneha, I'll wait for you. In case still if there is any student who haven't finished, I would request you to simultaneously take a screenshot as well to be extra safe. Sorry, sir, but I'm at my native place now, so I can't copy them. Yeah, that's absolutely fine, but keep on taking screenshots, child. Yeah. So here is the next page. Let me know once you people are done copying this page as well, children. Okay, Simmer has finished. Simmer, I guess you have just tried the further part because it is visible. 25 square, 24 square, and BM square, right? So 25 ka square karo, that you can try if you haven't. Meanwhile, I'll just kind of scroll in the upward direction, assuming first few steps have been completed. So the second part of the second page. Finished? Shubhra has finished it. Amberlin says no. Let me know when you are done, Amberlin. Sneha is finished. Okay, Antara has completed. Soham has finished it. Athar from Vikroli has completed it. Okay, I request all those kids who haven't yet finished to take a screenshot because I'll be moving ahead in few moments. Hope everybody has taken screenshots. Yeah. So here is the further part. Now the fourth sum, children, is kind of similar to the third sum. I will give you all the outline, but the calculation part, I'll leave the blanks that you can do it at home. Or maybe when I'll be explaining, you can do along with me. Athar has finished copying the sum. Sneha has also finished copying the sum. So here is the rest of the part. I believe, assuming the first two lines have been completed. Okay, Latika has copied the sum. Ayushi has finished. Deven has completed. Sorry, Deepika has completed it. Shubhra has done. So, request those kids who haven't finished to take a screenshot. Hope they have taken a screenshot now. Yeah. So here is the next sum. Question number 4, very similar to question number 3 with which we dealt right now, right? थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर changes किया. So let us understand what changes exactly. If the length of the diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter, let's say again the rhombus which we'll be talking about, we may take it as ABCD, or we can just change the name and consider it whatever we want. So I'll consider it as A, B, C, D. Length of diagonal is 30 and its area is 240 square centimeter. So कोई तो एक diagonal का length 30 दिया है. Let's say AC का value 30 centimeter given है, right? And area of this rhombus is 240 square centimeter. And they have asked us to find its perimeter. Now children, perimeter ढूंढना है तो बेसिकली साइड्स का वैल्यू पता होना चाहिए. अच्छा, चारों साइड इक्वल है तो कोई भी एक साइड का वैल्यू अगर पता चल जाता है, in order to find perimeter I just have to multiply that value. जैसे AB का वैल्यू अगर पता है, I have to multiply AB का वैल्यू with 4, because if you all remember here, perimeter is nothing but 4 into side, 4 into side, क्योंकि चारों साइड इक्वल है, राइट? तो अगर एक साइड का वैल्यू पता है, आई कैन वेरी इजीली फाइंड पेरीमीटर, राइट चिल्ड्रन? तो पेरीमीटर ढूंढने के लिए मुझे साइड ढूंढना पड़ेगा, और साइड ढूंढने के लिए अगर दोनों डायगोनल्स पता है तो उनका हाफ हाफ मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज दे बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, एंड परपेंडिकुलर है तो पाइथागोरस से ए भी मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो बेसिकली एरिया गिवन है, एक डायगोनल गिवन है, आई कैन फाइंड द अदर डायगोनल यूजिंग area of rhombus first, and then we have to use Pythagoras. Deepika, we have to use it, लेकिन वो बाद में. पहले क्या यूज होगा? एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इधर. तो टॉकिंग अबाउट एरिया ऑफ rhombus, it is nothing but half into diagonal 1 which is AC into diagonal 2 which is BD, right? Substituting the values, area of rhombus का value is 240, which is equals to half into AC का value is given to us as 30, and we need to find BD. Right? So basically, if you want, you can shift 2 in the numerator, 30 in the denominator, and then cancel, or you can just cancel it here and then जो भी बचेगा उसको ट्रांसफर कर दो. I'll just transfer everything. So 240 into 2 हो जाएगा, because 2 is in the denominator on the other side. Now 30 is in the numerator, so it will go in the denominator, equal to BD, right? 0, 0 gets cancelled, right? 3 1s are 3 8s are 8 2s are 16. So therefore, BD is nothing but 16 centimeter, and I mark it as equation 1. So children, now I've got BD ka value, I've got AC ka value. So can I find AM and MB ka value? AM is nothing but half of AC, मतलब half of 30. अच्छा, MB is nothing but half of BD, तो half of BD मतलब 8 हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो हम लोग को करके दिखाना पड़ेगा, right? So I'll just jot it down here that AM is basically half of AC, right? So the value is half of 30, which is nothing but 15 centimeter, and I mark it as equation 2. The reason for this, diagonals bisect each other, right? Diagonals bisect each other. The next step, children, जैसे हमने AM ढूंढा है, we can very easily find BM. Yeah, Sneha, I realized you guys were not able to see the downside which I was writing. See, here it is. AM is half of AC. I've just substituted AC ka value. It is given to us as 30. So 2 ones are 2 15s are. AM ka value is 15. Diagonals bisect each other, right? So this is the figure. Now I am aiming to find MB. MB is nothing but half of BD. So here MB is nothing but half of BD. The same reason we have to write it again. Diagonals bisect each other, right? Now, half of BD. BD ka value we all know it is nothing but 16 centimeters. So half of 16. 2 ones are 2, 8s are. Acha, 16 the value I've got it from equation 1. So from 1. So the answer, children, is nothing but 8 centimeter, which is the answer for MB, and I mark it as equation 3, right? So I'll just jot down those two values in the figure. AM ka value as 15, MB ka value as 8. So AM ka value as 15 and MB ka value as 8. Now, children, our aim here is to find the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but 4 into side. अच्छा, जो side हम लोग aim कर रहे हैं ढूंढने के लिए, that is AB. Now, in order to find AB, as some kid rightly said, we'll have to use Pythagoras. So now is the time to use Pythagoras. ये 90 है, एक side का value 15, दूसरे side का value 8. Using Pythagoras, AB मिल जाएगा और एक बार AB मिला, perimeter, we can very easily find it, right? So I'll just show you the further steps. In triangle, the name of the triangle, children, was AMB. In triangle AMB, angle AMB is equals to 90. अच्छा, angle AMB 90 है, इसका reason हमको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other, right? The next thing, I'll apply Pythagoras. So in this beautiful triangle, I know angle AMB is 90. तो 90 के सामने वाले साइड को हाइपोटेन्यूस बोलते हैं. सो AB स्क्वायर, हाइपोटेन्यूस साइड स्क्वायर, इज इक्वल्स टू sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AB square is equals to AM square plus MB square by Pythagoras theorem, right? Hope this much is understood to all of you. Okay, now our aim is to find AB. AM and MB का value मिल चुका है. If you don't remember how much, here it is. AM का value is 15, MB का value is 8. So 15 square plus 8 square from 2 and 3. From 2 and 3, right? Okay, 15 का square is 225, if I am not wrong. Can someone confirm? I guess it is correct, right? And this is 64. Just help me here if I'm wrong. Yeah. So adding those, the answer is 9, 8, 289, right? So AB square is 289, and I believe 289 is nothing but perfect square for 17, if I am not wrong. Maybe, yeah, 17 into 17. Yeah, it's correct. So taking square root, what we have the answer here is 17 centimeter. Now I hope you kids remember कि पेरीमीटर कैसे ढूंढना है, राइट? पेरीमीटर के लिए इस बार हम लोग डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे जैसे लास्ट सम में किया था. आई वोंट गो इन दैट डेप्थ. वी ऑल नो नाउ पेरीमीटर इज नथिंग बट 4 into any side का value for a rhombus. So 4 into the side here is AB, that is 4 into 17, right? So 4 sevens are 28 and that is 68 centimeter. That is the answer. So the perimeter of the required rhombus is 68. Sir, this is equation 4 and not 3. Yeah, equation 4, right. Thank you for helping me. So this is equation 4 and here the reason has to be from 4, right? So I'll just cut it in case there is confusion. That is equation 4. So you can just copy it. I won't give you much time since it is a repetition kind of thing. Be very quick to copy it. Okay, Amrita has already finished copying. Sneha as well. So I believe now if I give you one more sum of the same category, will you kids be able to solve it? Hope all the kids have drawn the figure by now because I'll be just scrolling upwards. Yeah, so I'll give you one more sum of the same category. Let's see who will be able to solve that as homework. Let me know once you people are done copying the page because I'll be moving on to the next page then. Okay, Dhananjay is finished. In case if there are any kids who haven't copied yet, they can just take a screenshot, children. Hope everybody has taken a screenshot. Yeah. So moving ahead. Here is the next part. Yeah. Finished? Sir, what is the homework? Sneha, I have written the homework on the other side of the page, this side. Once you people are done copying, I'll display it. Don't worry. There is only one sum which I'll be giving it to you all as homework. Last 1 minute to complete the sum, whatever is left out. Maximum of the students saying completed, completed. Very few, one in fact saying wait. Okay. Don't worry. In case if there is any child who misses out on something, you can always refer to the video lecture and complete the sum. So that said, children will be done for the day, and here is the homework. page number 97 solved example 2 is the homework, which is exactly of the same category which we are studied today, right? Yeah, that's it. I'll just check if Nishan sir is available.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll then leave, sir. You'll just take over, or
Yes,
do I
sir.
have to make you the host or something? I don't know. I'll just check. I'll leave, right, Nishan sir? Host person. That's it.
Hello, everyone.